Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. Today we're going to talk about how to make multiple mats turn into one mat. What I mean is that a project like this that I would put on a t-shirt, you can see over here, would require two mats to cut. So you would have your wine and you'd have your I make disappear. Now, this process involves you trusting your measuring skills and your gut just a wee bit. So in order to make two mats into one mat or multiple mats into one mat isn't difficult at all. You just go to your second mat, which is over here on the right hand side, and you select the image, and over here in the top left hand corner you'll see three little dots. You'll select that and select Move Object. You'll move it over to the first mat. You'll hit Confirm. You'll see that it changes color. That's totally fine. Just because it's a different color on the mat does not mean that it needs to be a different color on your actual mat. Your virtual mat does not need to be the same color as your actual mat, in other words. So now you have this and this all on the same mat, right? Well, when you cut your vinyl, you're going to measure all the way over to 3 and down to 8 so that you have this block for whatever color you're doing this. Then for your I make disappear, you're going to cut it from 5 down to 5. So 5 by 5, you're going to start at 5, go down to 5, and go all the way over to 10. So that gives you enough space for comfort level. I have done this many times. I've also failed a few times, but as long as you trust your measurements and you double check your work, you're just basically taking whatever colors on your screen originally. So originally it was this color and this color, or whatever colors you want, and putting them on the mat in separate pieces. I'll explain with a mat. Cricut mat. Woo, too big. Let's move the computer over a little bit. Cricut mat. See? We can go grab some vinyl. Go with some random scraps. So what I mean by this is you'll put your first color down, and you can see that this one is a bit wider than I need, which is completely fine. I'll just move over the other part over all the way to the right. And then this is not going to be perfect. I'm not trying to make it to be perfect. This piece would be too small. Or I could just, I don't want to remove this yet, but that is not okay either. All right, gonna get a different piece. Hang in there. There we go. This should be good. Cheater print, anyone? There we go. We're gonna actually flip that around. So in order to have this in two different colors, your mat should look like this. One color, second color, measured out to make sure that you have adequate space for your finished product. Now, I don't need this product. I might actually end up making it anyway, but for now, I don't need it. That is really all you do. And then you just go down to continue down in the right-hand corner. It'll select your device, it'll select your material, and then you cut. Simple, simple. Oh, my machine's not turned on. We lost power the other night and I forgot to turn it back on. It's starting up, give it a second. Alrighty, so it should come up. Nope. Should come up. Let's cancel real quick. It's not showing up. Oh, because it's not plugged in. Oh, goodness. That was a total blonde moment. All right, let's try again. Oh my goodness. Either way, you select your machine and you hit continue and then you make your product. That, my friends, there we go. Everyday iron on. And then you select make. Oh, you want to mirror your image. I'm so terrible at remembering that mirror is down here in the bottom, and what it does is it flips everything around so that you can use your iron-on vinyl. Ta-da! That's all it takes, folks. Please make sure you subscribe, that button down in the corner there, or up in the corner. And if you want to know when I'm on, hit that bell. It'll tell you when I post something new. I'm going to be doing lots of these short tutorials for you so that you know what to look for. Alrighty? Till next time, my peeps. See you later.